Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Security Center. Let us understand what is Azure Security Center. Azure Security Center is a unified infrastructure security management system that strengthens the security posture of your data centers, and provides advanced threat protection across your hybrid workloads in the cloud, whether they're in Azure or not, as well as on-premises. Keeping your resources safe is a joint effort between your cloud provider, Azure, and you, the customer. You have to make sure your workloads are secure as you move to the cloud, and at the same time, when you move to IaaS, infrastructure as a service, there is more customer responsibility than there was in PaaS, platform as a service, and SaaS, software as a service. Azure Security Center provides you the tools needed to harden your network, secure your services, and make sure you're on top of your security posture. Azure Security Center addresses the three most urgent security challenges. Rapidly changing workloads, it's both a strength and a challenge of the cloud. On the one hand, end users are empowered to do more. Increasingly sophisticated attacks, wherever you run your workloads, the attacks keep getting more sophisticated. You have to secure your public cloud workloads, which are, in effect, an internet-facing workload that can leave you even more vulnerable if you don't follow security best practices. Security skills are in short supply. The number of security alerts and alerting systems far outnumbers the number of administrators with the necessary background and experience to make sure your environments are protected. To help you protect yourself against these challenges, Security Center provides you with the tools to strengthen security posture. Security Center assesses your environment and enables you to understand the status of your resources, and whether they are secure. Protect against threats. Security Center assesses your workloads and raises threat prevention recommendations and security alerts. Get secure faster. In the Security Center, everything is done in cloud speed. Because it is natively integrated, deployment of the Security Center is easy, providing you with auto-provisioning and protection with Azure services. Let's understand about Azure Security Architecture. Because Security Center is natively part of Azure, PaaS services in Azure, including Service Fabric, SQL databases, and storage accounts, are monitored and protected by Security Center without necessitating any deployment. Also, Security Center protects non-Azure servers and virtual machines in the cloud or on-premises, for both Windows and Linux servers, by installing the Log Analytics agent on them. Azure virtual machines are auto-provisioned in Security Center. The events collected from the agents and Azure are correlated in the Security Analytics engine to provide you tailored recommendations, hardening tasks, that you should follow to make sure your workloads are secure, and security alerts. You should investigate such alerts as soon as possible to make sure malicious attacks aren't taking place on your workloads. When you enable Security Center, the security policy built in to Security Center is reflected in Azure Policy as a built-in initiative under the Security Center category. The built-in initiative is automatically assigned to all Security Center registered subscriptions, free or standard tiers. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.